For all the areas that I grind on this substructure, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it up with some Herculiner Truck Bed Coating. Now, truck bed coating is not just for truck beds. If you are using on your truck bed, you can use one of these original Herculiner Truck Bed do-it-yourself kits. It's gonna come with everything you need to basically have a roll-on finish in the bed of your truck. It will protect it from basically scratches and rust by sealing the metal and keeping it good and safe. But if you're working in an area like we are, in behind a fender like this, it's great to go ahead and use the aerosol coating. It gives you that same textured coating, and once again, the same thing. It'll prevent rust, seal the metal, and give it a nice textured look. But you don't have to use Herculiner Original Truck Bed Liner Kit on truck bed surfaces. You can use it on bumpers, fenders, under hoods like this, anywhere you need a durable, textured, non-skid rubber formula. The kit also includes the brush, so you can use that to cut in on the edge, and then the roller for larger surfaces.